Hello everyone. So today I'm showing how to import the Excel data into Revit. Okay, so how to just export your Revit data into Excel, and vice versa how to import the Excel data into Revit. That will be shown in this presentation. Okay, so now if I just this is my model, and if I go for the schedules, so here is some schedule I have extracted. So if I open the schedule, this is my schedule where you can have the type name, count, volume, area, okay, thickness, name, IFC thickness, IFC name, and mark and everything. So if I want to remove something, suppose I want to remove the count, so I can remove the count also. So this is my schedule. Okay, so now I want to export this schedule into Excel, and in the Excel, when we change any data, any parameter in the Excel, so I can import this Excel again into the model, so that all the parameters value will be changed according the Excel into the 3D model. Okay, so in that process, so there is a add-in available. So this is a Trishita ProSchedule add-ins. So when you go to the ProSchedule, so it will give you this kind of dialog box. So in this dialog box, I have to select the Excel. I have to select the schedule name. So there is a schedule name CWSW fold wall schedule. So from the drop down, I'm just selecting this schedule. This is my schedule. Okay, and now I want to export this one. Where I want to export, you can export into any drive on your computer. So I'm selecting the downloads option, and I export this schedule into Excel. Okay, so now I open this schedule. So this is my schedule, okay, where you can have the element ID and the geo ID, the type of wall, volume, area, and everything is there. Okay, now I want to change something. Suppose IFC name is there, and IFC name I want to change. Okay, so this is the IFC name CW2D, CW2G, like these are there are no IFC name right now. So if I change, suppose I want to change it CW um 201, and then this is CW202, and like that I want to change all the IFC name values into the Excel. Okay, so I have changed. Okay, so this is my IFC name I have changed into the Excel file, and now I want to import the same value into my Revit. So then we will see. Okay, so this is my Revit. Here is the option import. So when I go to the import table, so here it is asking for the selecting the Excel file. So I am going to browse Excel. This is my Excel file, okay, from the downloads, and I open this Excel. Okay, I import it in the Excel into Revit. So see 62 elements and 62 parameters. So you can see, if I go into the schedule, see these are the IFC name I have changed for the entire schedule. See CW208 to 14, like that. It is important as per my in my Excel format. So all the parameters have been changed. These are the things. So you can export any kind of schedule into the Excel, and you can change the values of the parameters into the Excel file. And when we import the Excel file into the Revit model, so it will change the parameter according the Excel into the 3D model. Okay, so that is the power of the procedures. Okay, thank you.